very good morning. This presentation is brought to you by Resonate International with a mission to leverage knowledge worldwide. The topic being covered is the power of prayer. Our cosmos listens. Ladies and gentlemen, across the vast cosmos, an intricate connection exists between human consciousness and the universe's boundless energy. This connection operates through a universal force often overlooked, the act of prayer. Far from being mere words, prayer is an exchange of energy, a purposeful transmission of intention and aspiration that seeks resonance with the cosmos. The human brain and body, marvels of biological and energetic engineering, are inherently designed to generate, transmit, and direct energy. Thoughts, a primary form of energy, continuously shape mental, emotional, and physical states. This interplay determines the capacity for action and for achievement. Mastering thoughts, therefore, holds transformative power. Through brain entrainment, the practice of aligning thought patterns, conscious control of energy becomes possible, enabling a focused and intentional pursuit of goals. Prayer, viewed through this lens, is the manifestation of positive thought energy. It has the potential to influence not only the individual but the environment and circumstances surrounding them. Scientifically, thoughts and emotions generate measurable electromagnetic waves. Emerging research suggests these waves influence the neural networks that govern behavior, emotion, and perception. While the pineal gland, often associated with spirituality, has been hypothesized to play a role in such processes, the exact mechanisms remain topic of ongoing scientific exploration. What remains undisputed is the transformative power of consciously directed thought. Across cultures and religions, prayer takes on countless forms, shaped by upbringing, tradition, and belief systems. Yet, beneath this diversity lies a universal truth. Every individual possesses the innate capacity to harness their thoughts, train their mind, and communicate with the cosmos in their own way. This ability transcends cultural boundaries, affirming the shared human potential to align with the universe through deliberate intention. Prayer, therefore, becomes a deeply personal yet universally accessible act of aligning energy with purpose. Prayers act as conduits for emotional and cognitive restructuring. Positive thoughts, when transmitted outward, align mental energy with external reality, thus fostering resilience and adaptability. They represent the hopes, dreams, and aspirations of humanity, channeled as a call for cosmic alignment. Evidence from psychological studies highlight that practices akin to prayer or meditation stimulate the brain's prefrontal cortex and limbic system, fostering emotional regulation, focus, and well-being. The cosmos, vast and enigmatic, responds to this energetic alignment in ways both visible and subtle. It offers clarity in confusion, strength in adversity, and a guiding force that encourages progress, whether through internal resolve or external opportunities. The universe serves as a silent partner in the pursuit of purpose. For many, prayer is also deeply rooted in faith. It is seen as a sacred invocation to divine forces, a heartfelt plea for intervention, or a humble expression of gratitude. Across cultures and religions, this act of trust and hope connects individuals with something far greater, giving prayer its profound meaning and the power. In conclusion, ladies and gentlemen, the power of prayer lies not only in aligning oneself with universal forces, but also in its ability to connect the human spirit to the cosmos. By embracing the diverse expression of prayer and channeling thoughts with clarity and conviction, humanity unlocks the profound connection between the inner self and the boundless cosmos. Whether viewed as a sacred dialogue with the divine or a mindful alignment with universal energy, prayer becomes a bridge, a unifying force, transcending beliefs and boundaries. It is in this sacred exchange that the cosmos listens, responds, and reveals its infinite wisdom, offering guidance, strength, and boundless possibilities to those who reach out with sincerity and with purpose. Good luck, God bless, and thank you very much.